Are you looking for an affordable, fat tire e-bike carrier? Stick around as we check out a product designed to carry up to 500-pound motorcycles. Fat tire e-bikes are very popular, and with their heavy weight and tires averaging around 4 inches in width, most traditional bicycle carriers just don't cut it. Today, we are taking a look at the Mockins 73-inch Hitch motorbike carrier and loading ramp, which offers a solid solution for your fat tire e-bike and even has the capacity to carry a motorcycle up to 500 pounds and tires up to 5.5 inches wide. Assembly was super easy. I really appreciate how Mockins pre-sorted the nuts, bolts, and washers. It made the process so much faster. The provided instructions were easy. The carrier itself is built tough with weatherproof steel and a rust-resistant coating, so it's easy to take on the elements. It attaches easily to any vehicle with a 2-inch receiver. Plus, you get 4 sturdy ratchet straps to keep your bike locked down securely. They included a hitch stabilizer that eliminates rattle and noise for a smooth, quiet ride. Mockins really thought of everything with this one. The included ramp makes loading and unloading effortless. No heavy lifting needed. This 70-pound fat tire e-bike fits perfectly on the Mockins carrier, and a rail width is spot on for those wide tires. Securing the bike is a breeze too, thanks to the 4 included ratchet straps. Just attach them to the sturdiest point of your bike and hook them into the loops on the carrier. I also love that the straps are bright orange. They're not just easy to spot, but add an extra layer of safety.
Hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.